When Rock of Ages Cleft for Me is sung in England, it's often to a tune called Redhead, attributed to Richard Redhead, born in 1820. Here's how it sounds. Rock of Ages cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Nothing wrong with it, but if I'm not careful, my mind can wander and I find I'm just intoning the words. My piano teacher, Mr. Barrett, used to get annoyed with me. You're just pushing down the keys as you read the notes. That's not music. You gotta make it sing. And that's what American Thomas Hastings did for Rock of Ages with his tune Toplady in the 1830s. Here's how Rock of Ages sounds to most of the modern world. Rock of Ages cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Like many hymns, Rock of Ages is just verses. There's no chorus or reprise, but people remember it because the melody sings. There's a long A melody line. Da 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 da. Then there's two short B melody lines. Da 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 da. And then you're back to the A melody line. Da 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 da. Now just listen and hum along or do your da-da-das so you have the tune Toplady in your head. Try it. Seems simple, but this Rock of Ages Cleft for Me video was requested because when you are singing in a congregation, reading projected words rather than looking at music, it's very difficult to stay unified, to know when to start a phrase or guess how much of a pause comes before the next verse. Everybody performs it slightly differently, but there's a reason for that. The biggest struggle with singing Rock of Ages is the timing and the tempo. The metrical index, that's how many syllables are sung in the hymn, is 777-777. Rock of Ages cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. You can go through the entire hymn and you'll find 7 syllables in every line. But what gets crazy from a musician's perspective is that those 7 verbal beats are set in 3/2 time. Musicians know 4/4 time. The tune Redhead is in 4/4 time. Someone who isn't looking at the music might try and sing Rock of Ages in 4/4 time, but when you do, it comes out weird. Most musicians also know 3/4 time, waltz time, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But since church choirs aren't always comfortable with 3/2 time, the more modern the hymnal, the more likely you'll find Rock of Ages Cleft for Me in 3/4 time. But ask a drummer about playing 3/2 time in 3/4 time. They'll tell you that's putting a round peg in a triangular hole. To keep the feel of 3/2 time, The best you could do is turn it into 6/4 time, because that's what the math equivalency craves. If meter and timing are confusing, don't worry. It's all part of the answer to why is every version of Rock of Ages slightly different. It's very tricky to put those 7 syllables against 4 different time signatures, so there's no standardization on how to sing this hymn to the tune Toplady. Is it Rock of Ages, cleft for me? Or is it Rock of Ages, cleft for me? In a congregation of non-musicians, you're going to start out together and very quickly skid out of sync. Because the time signature for Rock of Ages is a bit of a dealer's choice, you will hear this hymn sung in everything from an upbeat rock and roll tempo to a British Armed Forces slow march. But despite the social tendency to get through a service's worship music quickly, it's not a lively hymn to race through. The words are expressing the sacrifice of Jesus Christ on the cross as the only sure hope of salvation for all humanity. Such a mind-blowing gift deserves a reverent gratitude and gravitas. But if you let it drag as a funeral dirge, it means you aren't engaged in the words. Now for you musicians just wanting to play backup, here's the 1-4-5 chord changes. In every hymnal I have, the preferred key is B flat. That means in the scale, the 1 note and 1 chord is B flat, and the 4 note and the 4 chord is an E flat, and the 5 note and the 5 chord is an F. So let me just sing the chord changes for you using the number system. 1 1 1 1 4 4 1 1 1 1 1 5 5 1 1 1 5 5 5 5 1 1 1 5 5 5 5 1 1 1 1 1 4 4 1 1 1 1 1 5 5 1. Of course, if B flat is not a reasonable key for your singing voice, use the number system described in The Music Matters video of Songs in the Night and just transpose the key so you can play and sing comfortably. I'm glad this hymn was requested because taking a closer look at it has made me appreciate its uniqueness in the realm of hymnody. If you'd like to know more about the mystery of its popularity, go to the Songs in the Night video, The Making of Rock of Ages, Cleft for Me. If you'd like to know why the doctrinal depth of this hymn calls for a more somber, contemplative tempo, check out The Meaning of Rock of Ages, Cleft for Me. But chances are, you've wanted to learn how to play and sing this hymn because of the personal memories it evokes. Maybe it was a tune your grandma hummed under her breath. Maybe it was something you heard at a loved one's funeral or memorial. Maybe it has been a musical rock you could cling to in an emotional storm. Whatever your previous feelings about Rock of Ages, Cleft for Me, if you've learned something new from this video, click like, hit that bell, and feel free to leave a comment below. I challenge you to put aside preconceptions about how you've heard others perform Rock of Ages. Learn the lyrics, learn the melody, and then go to your thoughtful spot and sing it softly to yourself as a prayer to the one who answers to the name Rock of Ages. Rock of Ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Not the labors of my hands can fulfill thy law's demands. Could my tears forever flow, could my zeal no languor know, these for sin could not atone. Thou must save, and thou alone. Nothing in my hand I bring, simply to thy cross I cling. Naked come to thee for dress, helpless look to thee for grace. Foul I to the fountain fly, wash me, Saviour, or I die. While I draw this fleeting breath, when my eyes shall close in death, when I soar through tracks unknown, see thee on thy judgment throne, Rock of Ages, cleft for me. Let me hide myself in thee.